Grand Rising, my people. I will be cutting my cantaloupe today. When you harvest your cantaloupe, you want the flesh to be golden brown or golden yellow, golden orange. At first it was green, the flesh, the skin, but now it's like golden orange, yellow. That is when you want to harvest your cantaloupe. And you can smell, like the smell of it, you can smell the cantaloupe. And it is kind of soft, so I'm gonna cut. This is my first cantaloupe, y'all, my first cantaloupe, and I will be cutting it and tasting it today. All right, y'all, moment of truth, here we go. Oh my, look at that. Look at that, y'all. Oh my goodness, y'all. Oh my goodness, she smells so sweet. All them seeds, do y'all see all those seeds? Oh my goodness. All those seeds. All right, y'all, so now I'm gonna taste how sweet she is. Moment of truth. I'm gonna find out, y'all. Moment of truth. Yo, I'm from cantaloupe.
Had to travel all over the world.
From my own backyard. For free. Oh. It's amazing. And she's juicy. Look at all that juice. Juice. Sweet. Nothing like the stove. Nothing like the stove. You can actually taste the minerals, the iron. You can actually taste it. Growing your own food. This is how much I got out of that one cantaloupe. My cantaloupe, y'all. My people, save your seeds. Save your seeds. These are seeds that I'm gonna save. This cantaloupe was grown from a seed that I saved like from a year ago. Save your seeds, my people. These are the seeds that I saved from the cantaloupe. I put it in a strainer, rinsed them off real good, and now I'm gonna put them on some parchment paper, let them dry, and these will grow more cantaloupe.